Hello everyone, I'm a developer from ChainIDE. Today, we'll take a quick look at a gold-backed RWA real-world asset, smart contract implementation, and deploy it on Jovay. The contract is called PXG implementation. PXG, short for Paxos Gold, is a token backed by physical gold. Each PXG token represents 1 troy ounce of real gold held in custody by Paxos. According to DeFi Llama, Pax's TVL has reached $1.3 billion, with a daily trading volume of $1 billion. Jovay empowers developers to accelerate Web3 innovation with secure, compliant, and highly scalable infrastructure, a trusted solution for institutional clients. Let's start with the overall structure. This contract is based on an ERC20 standard, with 4 major extensions. Pausable mechanism allows the admin to halt all token transfers in case of an emergency. Asset protection feature enables freezing or wiping malicious addresses for regulatory compliance. Supply control mechanism. Only a specific role, the supply controller, can mint or burn tokens to match physical gold reserves. Fee controller allows dynamic adjustment of transaction fees and fee recipient addresses. It also inherits the SafeMath library to prevent integer overflow, a security best practice in Solidity 0.4.x era. The initialize function sets up several key roles. Owner, overall contract administrator. Supply controller, responsible for minting and burning tokens. Fee controller, manages transaction fee rates and recipient accounts. Initially, the total supply is 0, meaning all tokens must be minted through controlled issuance, representing a deposit of real gold assets. The contract also supports a proxy pattern, where logic and data are separated for future upgrades. For simplicity, the ChainIDE template doesn't include the proxy contract, but this doesn't affect the main contract's deployment. Additionally, PXG implementation supports EIP 712 delegated transfers, allowing users to sign transactions offline and let a relayer execute them, saving gas and improving security. Next, let's look at the compliance and safety mechanisms. Freeze/unfreeze allows authorized roles to freeze suspicious accounts and block their transfers. Wipe frozen address, in extreme cases, allows burning tokens from frozen addresses. These mechanisms ensure that the RWA token meets financial compliance standards, striking a balance between centralized control and decentralized transparency. The contract also emits events for all major actions, such as transfers, freezes, and fee updates, enabling on-chain auditability and transparency. Now, let's deploy the contract in ChainIDE. Click PXG Implementation Asol. Enable optimization, then click Compile. Next, click Connect Wallet. Here you can claim Jovay test tokens. Click Deploy. After deployment, check the pause variable. It's true by default. Call unpause, then check again. It should now be false. The contract has many functions. We'll focus on the minting and transfer features. Click decimals, which returns 18, meaning 1 token equals 10 superscript 1 units, representing 1 ounce of gold. Call increase supply, with 1 ounce to mint new tokens to the supply controller's balance. Next, try transfer. Call approve, to authorize 1 ounces to yourself. Then call Transfer, inputting recipient address and amount. Finally, check balance of. You'll see the updated token balance. To summarize, the PayXG implementation contract combines ERC20, compliant extensions, and upgradable architecture to bring real-world gold assets on-chain. It provides a secure, compliant, and auditable foundation for RWA tokenization. If you'd like to experiment and deploy your own gold-backed RWA contract, try ChainIDE's online development environment. Compile, deploy, and debug your token in just a few clicks. See you in the next video.